Anthony here from XXX RC Garage. So I just removed the sliders that were here and put these metal ones on, and these came out perfect. I will be putting a link down below as soon as I find a link for it, but it's good. And I also painted this. It was white and black, and I just didn't like the way it looked, and so I'm going to mount that back up there again. It may get scratched up, but whatever, it happens. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. This is actually labeled for Traxxas. Let me take this, actually take that down so I don't drop it. And we'll do the body here real quick and show you how well it bolts on. So basically, let me show you the other side because ESC is in the way here. But it actually just removes and replaces. This one would have been this side here. I just basically took the 4 screws off. Just took the 4 screws off and unbolted it and put that one in place, and it bolted right up. No adjustments, nothing. Perfect. Bam, it's on. And it's all metal. And I like this because it's got this kick out. Now I know this kind of has a kick out too, but I love the way this looks because it looks more authentic. So that is one of the things I've done. I also did a Bauhaus battery tray. I think I showed this the other day on a video, and I got the strap for it. So this is going to be my extra battery carrier, and then I have my other battery holder there. So that's so far. I was hoping the light kit would come in a lot sooner so we could get that on the truck and I could video that and put it on for you guys, but unfortunately it's not here yet. So anyway, that's it for now. And got a phone call today from my buddy Robert from Awesome RC Cars, and look what I got. I got the Pro Scale light system for the Bronco. So let's see what we got in here. Let me see if I can get us closer. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it sideways. So you open this up, comes with important notice, choose which communication cable you want to use. So it gives you a full instruction here, and also the complete diagram of your body and where the parts are going to go and so forth. And see what else is here. Shows you where you got to open the receiver box and so forth. So yeah, here comes a complete chassis wiring diagram. So it comes with good instructions. Anything underneath there? Nope. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to set all these parts in here like this, so it'll be easy to get to. And without the little cradle thing here, this thing, I'm not going to put that in there because that's going to be, and then of course wire ties, brake light stuff, some silicone, tail lights, and headlights, so forth. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to put all this stuff aside because I've got to dismantle my truck and set everything up. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so you see the four-way flashers on now, because there's 2 buttons on the power box where your ESC connects to. It's mode and selected mode. Well, now that I've done that, this is low beam. Turn off low beam, and then we got high beam. That's weird. Let's see if I can get this thing to work correctly. So slow beam. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go back in here and push those buttons again. I get it running. Okay, so let me show you the buttons I'm talking about. There's 2 buttons right here. Let me turn my other light on here so you can kind of see it. There's a signal and mode. So if I push the signal, it turns off where it was blinking. Now it's on high beam. And then you got your different modes and so forth. And let me see if I can get it to work now correctly. Okay, so high beams, no, high beams are not on. Get this stupid light out of the way. Alright, so what I needed to go over with you on this thing, because if some of you guys have done what I've done and changed out the motor ESC, you're going to have a little harder time doing this light like I have. And that's kind of why my video took so long to come out, is because of the situation. So because I don't have the original brush motor that comes with like the 2 bullets like you see here, and I have a brushless, I cannot use the bullet thing that helps you with your reverse, back up and forward. But the Max Link I do have hooked up does help for some reason. Now say for instance, I gotta understand, so I'm gonna make a left, the turn signals do work, and then you make a right, turn signals work. Of course, you have to give it a little twitch to make it stop. On the Traxxas Link here, you can select low beam, high beam, and these are auxiliaries for like rock lights, and of course the light up here, which I don't have hooked up yet. So then you can always click this always on down here in the corner. It's not going to work for me today. I think it is on the always on for some reason. I don't know why that's not lit up. What this means is this is your halo, like if you're driving a regular car and you don't have backlights on. Okay, so backup lights, brake lights, so that's the problem I'm having, because I can't hook up this properly using the bullets. It does kind of work semi with the Max Link, you know, but for some reason. And there's left turn, right turn, forward brake, back up. So with that, That's the issue I'm dealing with right now, is my running light's not coming on today. I don't know why, because it was working yesterday really fine. So I know probably a lot has to do with because I took the stock motor out of here and put a brushless system. And I did solder me a wire so that way I would have power to the power box. And but to be honest with you, really don't care much about the turn signal stuff. I just love running the halos. I just love the way that looks. Anyway, I know, like watching that RC drivers, and he used a stock Defender that had stock motor, and he hooked it up the way it was supposed to, and it was working great. And I'm sure that's the case with me. It's just that because I did switch to a brushless system on here, that I'm thinking that's possibly why I'm not getting everything working correctly. So just give you a heads up on that. If you do get a brushless system, unless they come up with something that's going to work, I don't know. But anyway, that's pretty much it. And again, guys, I want to make myself clear. I'm not blaming Traxxas on this malfunction, because I think it has something to do with me removing the stock motor and ESC, so I'm not able to hook it up correctly. So just so you know that, this is not blaming Traxxas. I think it has a lot to do with, because what I did to my truck is now the lighting consequences I'm getting. So, but if I manage to get it fixed and get it straightened out, I will come back and do a video on that. So as far as it goes, that's where I'm at. Anyway, thank you for watching.